Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I'm sitting here making earrings. I haven't even made it out today. I was supposed to go out this morning and do some errands, stop out off at a couple places and do some other stuff. I ain't made it outside yet, right? I'm thinking I'm gonna go out around 2 o'clock or so if God says the same. But anyway, I'm making these simple Dangle earrings, and of course these are going to be the wholesale earrings going on two different wholesale websites. So I'm working on these, and because I got this pack of beads from Hobby Lobby, you know what, I don't even know how many beads are in here. So once I'm done making all the earrings, I can count to see how many pairs that I have, but I didn't count these. I have no idea how many are in here. However, I am using them to make some simple, easy earrings. And all I'm doing is using one of the jump rings that I made. I'm going to grab one of the beads. Simple, easy. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go ahead and close that nice and tight together. And then the part that closes is going to be hidden by the bead like that. So I'm going to do a different color. And I'm not even using the same colors. I'm just going to do different colors for them. And I'm kind of trying something out to see. So none of the colors are matching. If you look at these, none of the colors match. All the colors are different. So I'm trying something here to see how it works out. And all I'm going to do now is go ahead and put an ear wire. I think what I'm going to learn how to do next is how to make ear wires so I can make some ear wires in different colors. I'm not sure if I saw different color ear wires somewhere or if I saw somebody had the ear wires, but the little bead right here was different colors. I don't remember where I saw it at, but I'm going to do a little research and see what I can find. But anyway, quick, easy, basically using 3 items to create this: ear wires, aluminum jump ring, a bead, closing it off. And then we basically are coming up with some simple 1, 2, 3 earrings. And if you think about it, we all know somebody that will wear these simple earrings. I have a cousin. She likes to wear earrings, but she wear dainty, small. As long as there's something in her ear that's dangling and it's no bigger than something like this or those other earrings that I made. She never wears like big huge earrings or anything real statement like in her ears. There's always a cute dainty type of earring, something like this. And you can look at that and say just 3 items: ear wire, aluminum jump ring, and a bead. And that's basically all we are doing. And I'm going to sit here and make as many of these as I possibly can. So I basically just put that on there. I'm going to make as many as I possibly can. Take pictures and then upload them to the 2 different websites. And then that's all there is. There ain't no more. I figure by the time I finish, it should be time for me to run out and go do a couple of things because I do got to go out. I should have been gone. But you know how it get. You sit down and get stuck. Simple, easy, 1, 2, 3. It's nothing. It is really just that easy. Go ahead and close that off. And I'm only doing them 1, 2, 3 like this on here. So after this video, I'm gonna do them like an assembly line. I'll do make the earring, and then I'll come back and put the ear wire on them. So this is what we're doing. Just some quick, simple dainty earrings for two of the different wholesale websites. In the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone, I posted some information regarding, I think it's February the 20th. Amazon is having a webinar, and they're having a webinar. If you've ever wanted to know how you can build a business on Amazon, like maybe with your product or something, or just learning all about Amazon, that platform and everything, I put the information in the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone Facebook page. Also, there is a link where you can RSVP if you want to. It's not sponsored or anything. I just think that it's really good information, even if it's information just to know the information. So at some point, you might want to consider selling on Amazon or partnering with Amazon or doing something like such. Because in reality, if you really think about it, Amazon has the monopoly on the online e-commerce situation. That's all there is. There ain't no more. And all they're going to do is keep growing. That's all they're going to do. So if there is an opening for any one of us or many of us to get into Amazon on that platform and get ourselves situated as a business on Amazon, partnered with Amazon, working with Amazon, anything like such, that would be really smart to do. That's one thing about different cultures of people. Not saying that we as African Americans, African Americans, because I'm black. That's all there is, ain't no more. So I can't say if that's the reality for most black people or African Americans or any other culture. Some cultures see 100 years in advance. They plan and situate things for 100 years in advance. So that's considering and setting up businesses and all type of things for growth, and they're not going to even be here. So they're looking at the growth for their children, their grandchildren, their grandchildren's grandchildren, and then their children, and so on and so on and so on. So they're looking out for generations ahead of them. That's generally how they set things up. And in some cases, people can't see past today. And that's not good stuff. So all these opportunities that are online opportunities where you can situate yourself, especially if you have a product that is a very unique product and it stands out from all the rest. I mean, it's not a simple uh 22 beaded bracelet that everybody else has, and your product is absolutely amazingly different, high quality, and all that good stuff. There is a place for you. There's a place for everybody. I don't care if it's not high quality. There's a place for everybody because the opportunities are plentiful. It's just we have to take advantage of them. You got to take advantage of them. You got to seek them out. You got to learn as much as you can learn. I was just saying this to somebody the other day. If I never talk to you again, keep learning. Learn as much as you can learn, no matter what it is that you are learning, and make sure that whatever it is that you're learning, it helps you to keep moving forward and elevating even higher with your business or whatever it is that you're planning to do, right? Because at some point, what happens is people get stagnated. They feel like they don't need to learn no more. I know everything I need to know. No, you don't. You have to keep learning. You have to stay sharp because things are continually changing. And that's just the reality of it. I talk to a lot of seniors, like older individuals at my job. A lot of them have no idea about technology. They can't send a text. They don't know how to send an email, like none of that kind of stuff. And I've talked to people as young as 45 years old not knowing how to do this. And not saying it's not a judgment, it's just a concern. It's a concern because I know that there is somebody in your family that can teach you something, how to send a text, how to send an email, how to attach something to an email, to send an email, how to upload a picture, like all those type of things. And there's a lot of the stuff is just very simple. And I'd be suggesting sometime to them, even if you go take a quick little class at a community college, an open entry, open exit class where you can just learn these little things that's going to help you in the future, because it's not going to change. It's not going anywhere. If anything, everything is going to get more advanced. Talking about AI. AI is literally taking away the thought process and thinking process from human beings, right? Because people are lazy. So the first thing people are going to do is they're going to use AI, which is what they're doing now, to curate your sentences, to curate your paragraphs, to curate your whole books, like all this type of stuff. It's taken away from taking the intellect, the usage of intellect away from people, right? So it's like, don't get lazy. Keep learning, keep developing whatever it is that you want to do, trying to do. Just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep learning. Don't get lazy. Make it happen for yourself because it can. It can, but you got to be consistent. You got to be ruthless in it. You got to be ruthless in it. If you're trying to go anywhere beyond your bedroom or your garage or wherever it is with your product, you got to be ruthless. I mean, you got to be up at 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning making stuff happen. And that's just a reality of it. You got to take advantage of the opportunities. You got to come up out of your comfort zone. You got to stop being scared. Stop being scared, because whenever the opportunity comes for the next step, you're going to be ready. You're going to be ready. So just be prepared. That's all there is. There ain't no more. But anyway, y'all didn't come here for a sermon, but the show got one this morning. Okay. And guess what? We'll talk.